Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com, and today we're going to give you 2 tips for drilling into concrete.
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Clyde?
Alright, so today we're working at the lake house that we renovated. And there is the lake house. This house is now a vacation rental house. What we need to do is install some new railings for the steps that lead down into the lake. This old railing isn't doing very well, so we upgraded to get a much sturdier railing. This is a concrete drill bit, also used for masonry, and you can see that the end of it has a bit of it's almost like a flat tip. A lot of people these days use battery operated tools, no cords to deal with, and they're a lot more convenient. However, a job like this requires a lot of power, and an electric drill will give you more power than a battery operated drill. So tip number 1 is to go old school and use an electric drill. We're needing to drill 10mm holes, and so this is the drill bit for 10mm. You can see it's pretty big. If I was going to use this large drill bit to drill down into this concrete, I'd pretty much be here all day, because it would take forever for this giant drill bit to get through the concrete. So what you can do is use a smaller drill bit to drill a pilot hole. And so these are 6mm. You can see how much smaller that drill bit is, but this little drill bit is going to slice through the concrete pretty fast. And then we can use the big drill bit, finish the job, and it will actually go pretty quick. By the way, we're Amazon affiliates. We ordered these concrete drill bits on Amazon, and it came in a little 6-pack. So it came with 3 of the 6mm and 3 of the 10mm. We'll put a link in the description below in case you're in need of some concrete drill bits. There's a couple of tips on how you can drill into concrete. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.